So what is an infinitive? Infinitive is a non-finite verb. It is not the main verb in the sentence. It doesn't change as per the tense of the sentence, singular or plural subject, or the type of person in the sentence. How it is created? It is created by adding to the base form of the verb. Let's understand how to create infinitives with some example. To convert verb run, which is in verb's base form, we add to before the word run, so it becomes to run. To convert verb play, which is in verb's base form, we add to before the word play, so it becomes to play. To convert verb eat, which is in verb's base form, we add to before the word eat, so it becomes to eat. Now we have understood how we can create an infinitive. Let's understand the use of infinitive. From earlier discussion, we know infinitives are not used as a main verb in the sentence. They are instead used as a noun, adjective, or adverb in the sentence. Let's understand how infinitives are used as a noun. Sia likes to play. Here, to play is used as an object in the sentence, so it behaves as a noun. Let's see next example. I want to write. Here, to write is used as an object in the sentence, so it behaves as a noun. Let's see one more example. To dance is her hobby. Here, to dance is used as a subject in the sentence, so it behaves as a noun. So we have understood how infinitives are used as a noun. Let's understand how infinitives are used as an adjective. I have no time to eat. Here, no time is an object and to eat is used to describe that object. So, to eat is an adjective here. Let's see next example. That was a game to watch. Here, in this sentence, to watch tells us something more about the quality of the game, which is a noun. Describing a noun is a work of an adjective. So, to watch is an adjective here. I told you to wait. Here, to wait is used to describe what was expected from the subject. So, to wait is used as an adjective here. Here, we have understood how infinitives are used as an adjective. Let's understand how infinitives are used as an adverb. She reads to gain knowledge. Here, to gain is describing the verb read. So, to gain is used as an adverb here. Let's see next example. Her voice is pleasant to hear. Here, to hear is describing the adjective pleasant. So, to hear is used as an adverb here. Let's see one more example. The new soldiers were ready to listen and obey. Here, to listen is describing the adjective ready. So, to listen is an adverb here. So, here we have understood how infinitives are used as an adverb in the sentence. Let's look into an exceptional case related to infinitives. We understood that infinitives are created by adding to verb's base form. But there are some cases where it is not added to the verb and then also it acts as an infinitive. These infinitives are called bare infinitives. So, when an infinitive is used without the marker to, it is called a bare infinitive. Let's see sentence example of bare infinitives. She made me cry. Here, cry is a bare infinitive as we haven't written to cry. Let's see one more example of bare infinitive. I heard him sing a lovely song. Here, sing is a bare infinitive as we haven't written to sing. So, bare infinitive acts as infinitive only but without a to attached to the verb. That's all about infinitives in this video. Let's quickly revise what you have learned in this lesson. Firstly, we understood that infinitives are not the main verb in the sentence. They are created by adding to before the verb's base form. Then we understood that infinitives are not used as a verb in the sentence. Instead, they are used as noun, adjective, or adverb in the sentence. And finally, we understood the term bare infinitives. They are infinitives without a to added before a verb. So that's all in this video. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or suggestions related to the lesson, please write in the comment section. If you liked the video, please hit the like button.